Unleash yourself and own what no one has before you. UIG Gold Digger is 7 search systems in one device. The latest advanced technical inventions throughout history. The best and latest in modern technology at UIG Detectors. Smart innovation in detecting gold, buried treasures, and precious metals. UIG Gold Digger, which is the first of its kind in the world. Advanced technologies with a high technical capacity that integrates new concepts and dimensions in the world of exploration and search for gold. It works with professional and innovative search systems with a high accuracy to distinguish between gold and precious and non-precious metals. This device is unique in that it has a specialized system with a high capacity for detecting gold only. The UIG Gold Digger is a multitasking device that is highly efficient in all terrains and conditions. An impressive power to capture targets at great depths in the ground, which is difficult for many devices to reach. The UIG Gold Digger is lightweight and easy to use. Our motto in the UIG Gold Digger device: we do not accept purchases unless you proceed with the field test. Try them by. The UIG Gold Digger device is one of the best German industries. It has the European CE certificate according to the international specifications, in addition to the international ISO 901 certificate according to international manufacturing specifications and standards. We wish you good luck on your exploration trips.